That's the bulb and the tract, and then you have the
optic
chiasm.
chiasm.
So the chiasm is right
There.
there, but these are the optic nerves. And then I don't
And
know
then
what
the
they want
tract.
you
She
to
said something
know.
about the optic tract goes in here.
The pituitary gland stuff.
Yeah, the pituitary gland.
Where?
It's posterior to
Well,
the...
so you know where the cella turcica is in the skull. So if you think about it,
Okay.
it sits in the cell. So that's probably it right there.
So
but
that's a
I don't have the
pituitary
key.
gland?
I'm assuming,
Okay. Okay.
but I don't have a key. Yeah, it
Okay.
has to be.
And then.
Okay, so I don't know what you guys need to know about this, but you guys need to know the pons.
What was this card? This one was. What we say that one was? Phallic cerebellum.
Yeah, so that's the cerebellum. And then you have the cerebrum, right? And then you have to have the stem and the pons.
Stem.
The medulla.
Stem.
And the pons.
Oh yeah, which one's
Medulla.
So you guys have to look at a model. Make sure you know. So.
No, they get a picture of it.
Oh, and then you also have to know the layers of the.
It's the
And
first
you have
one
to know
is.
their order.
Okay, so you have dura.
Yeah.
No, you have cranial bone, then you have the
Dura,
epidural space.
arachnoid, and pia.
But I think we need to know more in detail because there's
Yeah,
cranial
the
bone,
endos.
epidural space, which is hematoma. Then you have the dura mater industrial, and then you have the dura mater meningeal.
What is that? Endosteal and meningeal?
I guess industrial next to the bone, and then meningeal is actually the layer.
Is it like...
Where are you guys looking?
The board.
The
there.
brown? Oh.
Maybe industrial is just the one closest to the
Epidural
bone.
space.
So there's two layers of dura, right?
Cranial bone, dura mater, and
Yeah.
Son of a gun.
dura mater.
They're not really clear though when you
Okay,
get
so
close.
there's two layers.
But she was right about the endosteal.
Is that
it would be hitting the
because
bone?
it's on the bone? Okay, and then the other one's just like basically the meningeal.
Meningeal would be
Like basically.
towards the brain side.
Yeah, and then so you first go from cranial bone to the epidural space, which is, I guess, in an accident, you get the hematoma epidural,
this like
epidural
40 years from
hematoma,
now, right?
I
and then you
know.
get the dura mater industrium, and then
Well,
you
we should,
have
'cause Nicole's not gonna be with us
dura mater
next quarter.
meningeal, and then subdural space, which is, if you get an accident, subdural hematoma. Then you have the
We'll visit you.
arachnoid and subarachnoid, where CSF is contained. Then you have the pia mater, and then the pia mater is stuck to the brain.
What's the hematoma stuff?
Something about accidents, and that's what they're called, subdural hematoma.
Yeah, when you get
Something about like if you get in an accident, that's gonna
head
mess
trauma,
up. Head
fluid
trauma.
would fill there.
Oh, okay. Toma.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, Toma.
You guys have to know a lot.
We do?
Really?
Well, I didn't have to know all. I just had to know the 3 layers.
I'm nervous for innovations. How much do you think there's gonna be on that? I'd rather just say that's that.
What do you mean for all the muscles?
Because you know, like there's short time, and they're like 4 or 3 questions on one
real?
one little thing, on one little station.
Well, I mean, there's some things that you guys just said, like all the triceps were radial nerve, right? And then all the
Biceps
were
or
musculocutaneous,
muscutaneous,
right?
deltoid auxiliary.
And then the same for the
What would be-
forearm. You did radial on the back, on the extensor side, and then ulnar on the flexor side, right? So I mean, like, you didn't have to know each muscle, because if you knew each muscle, there's like 5 different nerves you have to know. But they were easy on you, and they just said ulnar, radial, musculocutaneous.
I forgot that test.
Okay, so that's easy though, right? Because you have to know 3 nerves
What do you mean?
for the arm.
Radial, muscutaneous, auxiliary.
Radial,
Okay, radio.
Let's get
No,
cutaneous.
that one's
or radial.
radial,
musculocutaneous.
auxiliary.
Well, okay,
Is that
Auxiliary's easy though.
yeah, but I'm just talking about okay,
Oh, right there. Okay.
the arm. Okay, then for the leg, you just have to know femoral,
And then
obturator,
peroneal.
peroneal,
And tibial.
tibia, right? Easy enough. And then you gotta know accessory nerve, subscapular nerve. stuff
Accessory
like that.
nerve.
Accessory nerve goes to the
With the sternocleidomastoid.
and it
and
also
the traps.
goes exactly.
Trapezius.
And then you gotta know like the dorsal subscapular, which is the
Dorsal subscapular was the rhomboids and the
Thoracocolumbar? No.
dorsal scapular was the rhomboids and the levator scapula.
Yeah.
Where's
so,
the levator scapula? Was it on the cast? I forgot.
She said it was cut.
It was hard to see on the cat because it
That's what I
kind
forgot.
of like fused to the
Okay.
trapezius, and when we cut the trapezius,
Uh-huh.
and it's just not on
I
here.
don't have that. I was gonna say minor and major. Okay.
So I mean, you guys will be fun. But right now, find a picture and learn the brain.
Whoa. Thank you. I don't know.
Gluteus
Are you still
maximus.
talking? Turn it on. You're gonna make it so long.